Hey guys, welcome to my channel TJ Tech. By the way, disclaimer, this is our first PC assembling video. This is not a review and there is no benchmark in this video. This is just to share our PC building experience with you guys, that's it. So let's get started. At first, we should test the system for getting a boot screen, just to know if every components are working properly. So for that, just insert the motherboard, RAM, processor, and then connect the power supply and connect the display to the motherboard. We use the case power wire to turn on the motherboard. And here we get the boot screen. As we now know everything is working properly, let's build the PC inside the case. We first install the I/O shield that comes with the motherboard in the case. Then insert the standoff screw as the 6-core i7 processor and 16GB RAM is already in the motherboard. Tight the motherboard with the normal screws on top of it. After fixing the motherboard, we install the CPU fan to the PC. In future, I am planning to upgrade this with a bigger heatsink. As for now, let's go with the stock CPU cooler fan. We didn't apply extra thermal compound paste on the CPU because the stock cooling fan already comes with the pre-applied thermal compound. Now we are installing our Cooler Master 500 watt power supply in the case. And now we are installing the 2TB Seagate mechanical hard drive and the 16GB of Optane memory. The idea is to use the Optane memory to speed up entire 2TB hard disk. I have to see how the performance is going to be in the hard disk combined with the Optane memory. Now we are installing the DVD drive and connecting all the Cooler Master case cable to the motherboard, like power reset, audio, etc. We also install an MSI GTX 610 graphics card in the system. Unfortunately, didn't shot the footage, sorry for that. After connecting all the power cables to the system, this is how it looks. Now turning the power on and it's getting the post screen. Have to boot Windows 10 in the system. So hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this. See ya.